Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to hide a Viber chat or message to keep your conversations private. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the conversation you'd like to hide from your main chat list. This could be any individual chat or group conversation that you want to keep away from prying eyes. Once you've found the specific conversation, press and hold on it for a moment. This action will trigger a menu with several options related to that chat. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on the option labeled Hide Chat. This feature is specifically designed to move your conversation into a secure, hidden section of Viber that's protected by a PIN code. It's perfect for maintaining privacy on sensitive or personal conversations that you don't want visible in your regular chat list. Now, if this is your first time using the Hide Chat feature, Viber will prompt you to create a 4-digit PIN. This PIN acts as your security key to access all hidden chats, so make sure you choose something memorable but secure. Go ahead and input your chosen 4-digit PIN carefully. You'll typically need to enter it twice to confirm and ensure you've set it correctly. If you've already set up a PIN previously for hidden chats, the app will simply ask you to input your existing 4-digit PIN to confirm the action. Enter your PIN and Viber will immediately process your request, and that's it. Your conversation is now hidden from your main chat list and secured behind your PIN code. Whenever you want to access your hidden chats, you'll need to enter that PIN, keeping your private conversations protected from anyone who might casually browse through your phone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.